And now I need to finish my paperwork so I can get that to reflect the offer. So we can.
Oh, okay,
accept it.
okay. So you need to finish paperwork. Do you have your paperwork?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I just need to um, finish it.
Okay,
Let's see
got it. And
here.
then you can move yourself back to room 1 to go over the paperwork with your client.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir. Mr. Simpson.
Good morning, Teresa. I just talked to Brandon. I'm sorry, I was getting feedback on that. Anyways, I just talked to Brandon, and I'm going to reach out to the felony prosecutors to see if they will TIC the possession for a JSAT on this, if we could get a short reset.
Sure. Do you need about a week or so?
That's fine.
Okay, let's see. This is 25th, the week is about July the 2nd. I should be here on the 2nd.
I'm having a hard time understanding you. I guess I don't know if we have a bad connection.
Can you hear me? I can hear you. Right?
Terry, you're going in and out.
Yeah, you are, Terry. I can't hear you either.
Oh, okay. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, that works. Just talk
Yeah,
that way.
Okay.
Yeah, that was better.
All right, Mr. Simpson, 1 week is about July the 2nd. Is Tuesday, July 2nd? Is that okay?
Let me take a look. That should work.
Okay, reset to Tuesday, I said 2nd, all right? We will see
Correct.
you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Are
Same
you
time.
sure? Oh, go ahead. Yes, same time.
Okay, thank you.
Same time.
Kyle, real quick, did you get the MTR and the court summary?
I do not show that I have that.
Okay, I emailed it to you. If you want to chat me, just so I'll make sure that I have your right email.
Okay.
It's me, Alex.
Oh, hey, Alex, how you been?
I'm well, thank you.
Okay, are you Shia Sigma? I need you to unmute. Have someone help you unmute that.
Thank you.
Perfect. All right, Miss Sigma, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear? Wait, my camera's not on. Hold on. Let me turn. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. All right, this is 715668, State of Texas versus Shia Michelle Sigma. Looks like you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated second, and you want to enter a plea of no contest. But first, you have to go over your rights. We have Richard Saldivar here representing yourself, and he'll be here in a minute. Brandon Prater representing the state. All right, ma'am. This is a DUI second, which is you could have been punished with up to a $4,000 fine and from 30 days in jail to 1 year in jail. You understand that full range of punishment, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have a right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. It looks like you're waiving those rights today in order to get this plea bargain with the state. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. Sandoval?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
How long have you represented her?
Judge, I believe it's been about a week.
All right. Do you need more time, Miss Sigma? Do you need more time? Or are you willing to go forward today?
I'm willing to go forward, Your Honor.
All right. And you're satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Okay, then how do you plead to this charge of DWI second? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
All right. I will accept your plea of no contest.
Mr.
Yes,
Prater, we're
the
on
def-
page 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Let me ask the state, what is there an agreement?
Which cause number is this, Judge?
715668.
Yes, Judge. The agreement there is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 8 days in the Bexar County Jail for credit for time served, full time and money to run concurrent, and we would ask to satisfy the judgment.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Saldivar?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I am going to accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. And I'm going to follow that plea bargain that the attorney read out. So what that means basically is your judgment is satisfied, ma'am. I know we're having problem with paperwork, but as soon as the paperwork gets done, if you have no other holds, you should be released. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you. Mr. Prater, what was the number of days on that case?
8 days, Judge.
Thanks.
Of course.
Right, Judge, I'm just waiting for the interpreter to log in. They've already told him to log in for Judge Guerrero's case, and that's going to be on Rios Gamboa. Because
Yes.
they're bringing that up to.
Thank you.
José Antonio. José Antonio.
What's your name, sir?
Victor Rios.
All right. Momentito, okay?
Sí.
Okay. We're gonna do Mr. Gamboa.
Go back, I guess, to it, to the main one, or press it.
That's a good joke right there, but I'm not gonna tell it.
Interpretation.
Yeah.
Of Spanish.
As a former deputy, I would get it, Judge. I would get it.
Hey,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, Miss Abrams, thank you. Here we go. 725-255 and 730041, State of Texas versus Victor Alejandro Rios Gamboa. We have Brandon Prater for the state, Monica Guerrero for Mr. Rios Gamboa, and translating we have Arlene Abrams. All right, Mr. Gamboa, let's go over your cases and your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial. Make the state bring in any witnesses against you, and your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at paperwork, you do not want to have a jury trial in this case. You want me to go along with the plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state of Texas. Is that correct, Victor?
Sí.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Sí.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Did your attorney go over your any possible troubles you might face with immigration consequences?
Sí.
And you wish to go forward today?
Sí.
Okay, sir. Are you satisfied your client's mentally competent, Ms. Guerrero?
He is, Your Honor.
And you believe that he understands his admonishments about immigration, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And he wants to go forward.
He does.
All right then. Mr. Gamboa, how do you plead to the two charges of one's a criminal trespass and one's that one we were talking about before, the failure to ID? Do you pleading guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
All right. I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty. State, what's the agreement? And are they on both cases?
I'm actually going to ask Monica about that. I'm not seeing any notes here. I'm assuming Ms. Guerrero or Judge that it's going to be 101 days. Jason?
It was 97 on each case with time served, and they are going to dismiss the 2 felony cases that are pending.
That's what I thought. Okay. Judge, the agreement is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 97 days in Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, full time and money run concurrent. And we would ask to satisfy the judgment for case number 725255, as well as 730041.
All right. And do you mind reading to me the case numbers that will be taken into consideration, if you have them?
I do not, Judge.
Ms. Guerrero, do you have them?
Give me 1 second. I have to look for my appointment order. Case number is Nightmag 756196. The second case has already been rejected, so that would be the one that's going to be dismissed out of the 290th. And Mr. Stout is aware of that.
Thank you. All right, then, where'd you go there? Mr. Rios Gamboa, I am going to follow that plea bargain. I'm going to give you a $0 fine, 97 days in jail. You get credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. These 2 cases will run concurrent, and your Nightmag 756196 will be taken into consideration, which means dismissed. You understand, sir?
Sí. O sea, ya no tengo ningún
Okay.
caso activo.
Monica, does he have any other cases pending?
No, that was
That's
in
it?
total everything.
Okay, sir, it looks like once the paperwork gets finished, then you'd be released, hopefully today or tomorrow, okay?
Judge, he's
Okay,
going into
gracias.
immigration custody.
Oh, he's in immigration custody. Okay. Well, you can move on to immigration then, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, Judge, tell me when you're ready for the next one.
Okay, give me a sec.
Please, Judge.
Terry,
Yes, ma'am. You ready?
she's asking if it's a Spanish speaker, or can she be dismissed?
Oh, yes, yes. No, Arlene can be dismissed, Judge. Yes. Sorry, I could not hear on my end. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's where, that should be all we need. Okay, the next one up, Judge, is gonna be Mr. Engelkey, Judge on Masikas, page 1, Judge Jeffrey. And he should
Okay,
be at the camera.
I'll be right there.
All right, Judge.
Okay, who's next?
I believe I am.
Yeah, Mr. Engelkey, Judge on Masikas, page 1, Judge Jeffrey Masikas.
Got it. All right, Jeffrey, are you there? Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Okay, you can lower your hand. Gotta lower his hand. It's driving me nuts. Okay, there we go. All right. So this is 6728292, State of Texas versus Jeffrey Mesquias. We have Keith Engelkey here for Mr. Mesquias and Brandon Craters here for the state. You're here today, sir, for an interference with emergency telephone call 728292. One sec. That is a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten anywhere from up to a $4,000 fine from 72 hours in jail to 180 days in jail. Do you understand that full range of punishment, Mr. Mesquias?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you waiving your right to a jury trial today in order to enter that plea your attorney worked out with the state?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Engelkey, is your client mentally competent?
I believe he is, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
And how long have you represented him?
More than 10 days.
All right, then, Mr. Mesquias, to the charge of interference with an emergency telephone call. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. What is the agreement?
Judge, the agreement is going to be a $0 fine with court costs. 20 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, full time and money to run concurrent, and we would ask that this satisfy the judgment.
Is that your understanding, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I am going to approve that, Mr. Mesquias. So your judgment is satisfied. What that means is if you have no other holds, sir, you will be released hopefully sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Maybe excuse Judge.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Hello?
Next.
They're telling me they have Enrique Benavides. That's gonna be Mr. Cummings' client.
Okay, I'm ready. Are you Enrique Benavides, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you speak English and Spanish?
Correct.
All right. Raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. All right, sir. We have Brian Prater for the state, Brian Cummings for Mr. Benavides. All right, let's see. Mr. Benavides, you're charged with criminal trespass. That is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 6 months in jail. That's the full range of punishment. I understand you have a plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that right?
That's right.
You want me to follow that, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Mr. Cummings, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Has he been able to assist you in the presentation or the preparation, of any defenses?
Yes, ma'am, he has.
How long you represented him, sir?
Since June the 3rd of 2024, Your Honor.
All right. And how do you plead to this offense, sir, of criminal trespass? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find him guilty. And what is the agreement state?
Judge, the agreement is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 23 days in the Bexar County Jail, with credit for time already served, full time and money to run concurrent, and we would ask to satisfy the judgment.
And is that your agreement?
That's our understanding
Yes.
as well, Your Honor.
Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to follow that agreement, and your judgment, sir, is satisfied. That means if you have no other holds, you may be released today or tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck.
Okay,
Have a good day.
You too, sir. You too.
thank you
Bye-bye.
both.
Okay. Mr. Butler should be next, Judge, on page 2, MTR on Velma. Let me see who's that on camera.
Okay.
I don't know who that. I
Are
don't know who
you
that's-
Joshua Velma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Antonio Guillermo.
Okay, raise your right hand, sir. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be true, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. This is 718-696, State of Texas versus Josue Antonio Villalma. We have Brandon Prater representing the state, Milton Butler representing Mr. Villalma. Mr. Villalma, I need to go over, see what we have here. Hold on. Okay, this is an MTR. What that means is they say that you violated the conditions of your probation, which you were on probation for a DWI, in a few ways. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Which cause number are you going on, sir? I'm talking the state now. State.
Take a look real quick. My apologies, Judge. I'll bring this MTR up real quick.
Okay.
This was Mr. Villalma?
Yes.
Oh, no, it's still going. It's-
The cause number I have is, the initial cause number was 718-696. Are you asking which?
Which number you're going to go forward on the MTR?
Got it, Judge. My apologies.
No problem.
Judge, it looks like I don't have I have a copy of the court summary, but not a copy of the MTR. I don't think it was attached.
Okay,
to-
Ms. Valverde, which number do you want to go forward on, ma'am?
Well, I'll ask to state, Your Honor, what do y'all agree to? There's condition number 4 for not reporting.
I think I'm fine with that if defense counsel's fine with that.
Okay, I'll
That's fine.
read. I'll read that. Okay, violated condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jose Antonio Vilma did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, in violation of condition number 4.
Okay, Mr. Vielma, is that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna find it true and state what is the agreement, if there is one.
Let me look this up. Sorry, Judge, I'm a little behind on this one.
I remember what the agreement is, if you'd like me to, Mr.
Yeah,
President.
Mr. Butler, go ahead, sir.
It's 13 days.
Yes, thank you. That's my agreement, Judge.
Okay,
13 days, JSON.
there you go. All right, Mr. Vielma. So that means your judgment is satisfied. If you have no other cases, then you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Thank you so much, man. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Good luck.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Butler.
You're welcome.
All right, Judge, whenever you're ready, Judge.
What do we got next? Lisa Moore or
Lisa
Nathan
Moore,
Eric?
Judge, page 1, and she's got 2 cases. I'm assuming we're going on both, right, Mr. Hicks?
That's correct.
Okay, got it.
All right, Lisa Moore. Raise your right hand for me, Miss Moore. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Okay, you can put your hand down. So we're here today on 735-311, 735-312. State of Texas versus Lisa Dawn Moore. The 11 case is your failure to ID. The other case is your criminal trespass. Both cases are Class B misdemeanors, I believe.
One is a Class A misdemeanor. It's a failure to ID as a fugitive, Judge.
Oh, is a fugitive. Okay, so your failure to ID is a Class A, which is $0 to $4,000 fine.
Page
Hello?
3. You could
Who's
not locate Brandon. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, so one of them is a Class A, up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. Your criminal trespass is a Class B, $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment, ma'am, for the cases. But I understand you got a plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state, which means you want to waive your right to a jury, waive your right to cross-examine witnesses, and your right to remain silent. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you satisfied your client's mentally competent, Mr. Hicks?
I am, Your Honor.
And you represented her how long?
I believe since late May, I want to say May 30th.
All right. Then I am going to, how do you plead to both charges? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I will accept your pleas of no contest. I will find you guilty. What is the agreement on both cases, Mr. Prater?
Judge, yes, Judge. The agreement on both cases is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and we would ask that this satisfy the judgment.
That's your agreement, Mr. Hicks.
It is, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Moore, I'm going to follow that plea bargain so that way both of your cases are judgment satisfied. As soon as paperwork is done, then you should be released. Okay.
Thank you so very much.
Good luck. It might be a day or two. I just want you to know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank
you. Got Nathan. I'll have a seat.
Okay.
Mr. Ross.
Yes, I'm here for Mr. Argain, Your Honor.
1 second.
Right.
Okay, Mr. Etienne, raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you. You can lower your hand. All right, get his case up. 735-419, State of Texas versus Nathaniel Etienne. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. It's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. Do you understand that full range of punishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have a right to have a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. It looks to me like you're waiving those rights in order to get that plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that right?
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
And are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Absolutely, yes.
Great. Mr. Ross, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor. He's been able to assist very well in his defense. I believe him to be competent.
Perfect. And how long have you represented him?
That's not exactly clear, Your Honor. I didn't get a notice of appointment on this. I just got an email that on Thursday that we were having this coming up. But
Do you need more time?
So no. We've been able to confer. I believe my client wishes to waive the 10 days.
Okay, Mr. Etienne, is that true? You're ready to go forward today, right?
Move forward. Yes, correct.
I will do so. All right, then, what is the plea bargain state?
Judge, the plea bargain is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 25 days in Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and we ask this be judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Ross?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, then, Mr. Nathan, I am going to follow that plea bargain. Therefore, this judgment is satisfied, sir. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, no problem.
Thank you.
Bye, thanks.
Mr. Gonzalez with an S.
Catherine Venezuela is here, Judge, filling in for Tony Jimenez, Judge, and that's gonna be on page 6, Judge.
Julian Gonzalez. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Gonzalez. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Great, lower your hand. All right, we got Catherine Valenzuela representing Mr. Gonzalez. We have Brandon Prater representing the state. Cause number 723-982, State of Texas versus Julian Javier Gonzalez. Sir, you're here today on a, where'd you go? Keeps moving on me. There it goes. On an unlawfully carrying a weapon, that's a Class A misdemeanor, sir. You could have gotten anywhere from, what, Ms. Valenzuela, are you talking to me? I can't hear you if you are.
I think it's an MTR, Judge.
Oh, it's an MTR? It doesn't say that here. Is this Julian Javier Gonzalez?
Could be, Judge. I don't have it listed as an MTR. Do you have that?
I have all the paperwork.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I missed it. It wasn't marked as an MTR.
It's not an MTR. Miss Valenzuela, I can't hear you. So you want to put something in the chat, maybe? Anyway, I'm going to go forward with you, Mr. Gonzalez. It's a plea of no contest. I understand that. You don't want to have a jury trial. Is that correct? Say it out loud.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Then what is the agreement state?
Judge, the agreement is going to be a $0 fine with court costs, 6 days in the Berry County Jail with credit for time served, full time and money run concurrence, and we ask to satisfy the judgment.
All right, so you understand that your judgment's satisfied, right? That means that this case is behind you. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Valenzuela, try to talk now and let me see if I can hear you.
Your Honor, we thought that this was an MTR.
I got that. I heard that. No, it's not an MTR.
It's
But
not,
he's
that was
still-
my fault. Yeah.
It's a 6-day judgment satisfied on an unlawfully carrying a weapon. You want to go forward? Your client does. Do you?
Your Honor, I'm still minutes, that's why I'm kind of.
You might
No,
need to
she-
call
she's-
Terry.
She's right. I just found it.
Oh, it is an
It is-
MTR?
Yes, it's the 723-982 is an MTR.
Well, then you'll have to do different paperwork. I'll just delete this.
I hate Odyssey.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, just go back and wait for us, sir.
Yeah, go back to room 1, please. Catherine, I'm gonna send you new paperwork now. Is that okay?
Yes, can you send it to my email, because they have
Yes,
forwarded.
yes,
All right,
yes.
Thank you.
I'll send it now. Yes.
Yeah,
Miss
I don't know how
Valenzuela? Okay. Miss
I don't know how
Valenzuela?
many times I checked the docket.
Are you hired or are you retained? Do I send you a voucher?
No, remember, she's here for Jimenez.
Okay. Okay, got it. Got it. No voucher then, just the MTR paperwork. Okay, sending it now.
Mr. Prater, I'm gonna I'll email you the MTR.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Venezuela, that paperwork was sent. And you can go join room 1 whenever you're ready. And your client is in room 1. Do you know how to get back there, Ms. Valenzuela?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay, got it. All right, Judge. If you want to do some bonds, it's up to you, Judge.
Yeah,
Everybody's
let me-
here for the bonds.
Let me get out of, off the YouTube and then we'll start that.
Let me let them know.